sentiment analysis. So the next section is about why do we need to do social media analytics. The three main reasons for that are marketing, customer service, and brand reputation. So marketing is basically you use social media analytics to identify your target group, to send your ads, maybe the campaigns, to target your advertisements. In the customer service space, social media analytics, primarily, I think the sentiment part of it is used to find out, are the customers unhappy with the service? Are they complaining about the service? Is there a way to improve that? And the third is to make sure that a particular brand or a company's reputation is not tarnished online, because it's very difficult to build a brand, but very easy to break it down. So social media analytics is implemented by a large number of companies, especially the big companies, to make sure that there is no, to rather maintain the brand reputation, to make sure that there are, there's no harm to their brand. People are not damaging. So they take corrective action in time before it's too late. So a lot of these is done using the monitoring. So basically on a regular basis, data is collected from social media, and particular keyword or phrase is used, and then try to identify if there is any, for example, if you want to do brand monitoring, try to identify, is there a lot of negative sentiment, or people suddenly is there a huge negative sentiment, so that is an indication that there's something wrong, and so on. So basically monitoring is a huge part of social media analytics. Now, how is this done? What are the tools available? I think typically many big companies especially follow a certain methodology. Again, this is not probably as mature as some of the other processes, but by and large, they go about using somewhat like this kind of a methodology. They set some business goals. It could be as simple as they want to improve the sentiment by 10% or something like that. Or it could be even more generic goals, like they want to increase the sales or leads or whatever. So some business goals are set, and then some KPIs, and then they go about gathering social media data with the intent of measuring these KPIs. And then they use various tools and techniques to actually perform the analysis. And then they measure these KPIs. And of course, that is fed back and corrective action is taken. So that is the kind of the cycle that is followed. Again, this is a very high level methodology, and sometimes there may be one or two steps short. So that's absolutely fine, but this is